Alright, this video I just wanted to show you the little clip here just on the difference we made in this basement. Which I really like a lot. So what I'll do is in parts you'll see just a clip of what it used to look like and what it looks like now. So I'll just walk around a little bit. I thought this would have been a good video just to show you the transformation of what it did look like and what it looks like now. Definitely different. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip. It just goes to show you, no matter how bad it looks, it could look better. It just takes a little bit of elbow grease and it'll look just like this when you're finished. I would like to tell everybody thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or comment if you'd like. Till next time.